Our today's topic is significance of photosynthesis. Life cannot exist without photosynthesis. All animals, directly or indirectly, depends on plants for their food. If photosynthesis in plants does not occur, then they do not make their food, and as a result, no food is available for animals. So, photosynthesis is one of the most important processes happening on Earth for the survival of all living organisms. Now, let's read what requirements they fulfill. By using the carbon dioxide from the air, photosynthesis helps in cleaning the air that we breathe in. Next is food for all living beings is produced through photosynthesis. How? See, herbivores are the animals who solely depend on plants for their food and energy requirement. And these herbivores are eaten by the carnivores. In this way, energy transfers from lower level to higher level. What do you understand by food chain? Food chain is a series of processes in which one organism feeds on another. Means the energy transferred from lower trophic level to higher trophic level. For example, plant is the producer and play very important role in maintaining the ecosystem. So, plant is eaten by the grasshopper called primary consumer. Then that grasshopper is eaten by the rat, that is secondary consumer. Then it will transfer to the tertiary. In this manner, there is a transference of energy from lower to higher trophic level. So from here you can understand that photosynthesis is very important, because if there would not be any plant, then there would be no food available for animals as well. Photosynthesis is the only natural process that can capture and preserve sunlight as chemical energy. As we all know that solar energy is converted into chemical energy in the form of glucose during photosynthesis. Next point is energy of the sun that had been captured and preserved by plants during photosynthesis centuries ago are stored within fossil fuels. Fossil fuels means coal, petroleum and natural gas. These fossil fuels are used for our domestic and industrial energy needs. As we all know, during photosynthesis, plants take in carbon dioxide and releases oxygen. In this way, our atmosphere is replenished with oxygen by photosynthesis. Not only animals, even plants use oxygen for cellular respiration. So if photosynthesis does not occur, the oxygen level in the atmosphere would decrease drastically and life on Earth would become impossible.